And here we have the LaCrosse WT 3102B atomic analog wall clock. Serious NASA science in a bold black cabinet is the 10-inch atomic wall clock from Crosse Technology using a radio-controlled frequency. Silver trim with bold numbers and metal timing hands. Model WT3102B's quartz movement joins with high-tech dazzle of 21st century precision within only 1 second in 1 million years. Features include instant auto set, daylight standard time auto adjust, reset button, time zone switch, and manual set depress option. Reception anywhere in North America. Built-in antenna. Cost-effective power with no sacrifice in style. Plastic black case with silver trim. White face with black hands, markers, and numerals. Automatic time with manual setting. After signal is received, press time zone button to set. Automatically sets to exact time, accurate to the second. Updates automatically for daylight savings time. 4 different time zone settings. Simple to operate. Insert 1 AA battery, not included. Quality by LaCrosse.